Are you looking for the best circular saw with dust collection? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best circular saw with dust collection that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Rockwell Versacut 4.0 amp ultra compact circular saw. Many of you might be more comfortable using a laser guide to help you make straighter cuts with a circular saw. Rockwell Versacut comes with a laser guide to enhance your cutting performance. Rockwell has particularly paid attention to the design of this product, making it more compact and user-friendly. Apart from integrating the laser guide, this power tool's portability makes it a commendable circular saw. If you have been working on various projects at different job sites, you can effortlessly carry it along with you. You need a 4-amp motor to run this machine that resultantly produces 3,500 RPMs of no-load speed. The speed and motor power work in tandem to cut through various materials like ceramic, lumber, flooring planks, etc. Moreover, to avoid breathing back into a dusty environment, the circular saw with a dust port is most suitable for you. The sturdiness of the pivoting metal guard makes plunge cuts a breeze. Make sure to align the indent along the cutting line. The dust collection works to keep the surrounding air clean and keep the work area and cutting line dust-free. The ergonomic handle plays a vital role in keeping the circular saw steady while cutting. You can keep your focus on the cutting while gripping the handle firmly. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Makita XSH06PT 18 volts X2 LXT. The Makita has used magnesium on the blade guard, base, and blade cover to reduce the machine's weight and make it more user-friendly. These are the most suitable circular saws for people ready to pay some bucks to get rid of dealing with tangling cords. Thus, the Makita XSH06PT runs on dual 5.0 Ah batteries and requires an 18 volts of input power. The brushless motor is another hallmark, making it a long-lasting and real value for your money. The LXT lithium-ion batteries of these saws offer the power and torque required for cutting thicker and thin pieces of lumber. The retractable blade guard works to ensure user safety when the machine is in a running position. Additionally, the magnesium base plate enhances stability while the saw rests on the cutting surface. These are among the best circular saws with dust collection attachments that only require a screw to install and remove the dust collector. Its advantage lies in its quick attachment with a vacuum for dust collection. The feature ensures you always work in a clean work area. Besides, the later cleanup of the sawdust also gets reduced exponentially. The integration of a max efficiency blade with a thin kerf design implies less wastage of lumber in the form of sawdust. The resultant cuts are splinter-free with no broken edges at the ends. Makita XSH06PT comes with a highly efficient dual-port rapid charger to charge both the batteries simultaneously. Thus, you can avoid any downtime in waiting for the batteries to recharge. Furthermore, the dual-handle ergonomic design makes the precise cutting process less stressful. The number 3rd position we have the DEWALT 7-1/4 inch. DEWALT 7-1/4 inch is suitable for people looking for greater than average power and punch. The 15-amp motor producing 5,200 RPM of no-load speed is a living example of its quicker and cleaner cutting. If you desire splinter-free cutting without any rough edges, DWE575SB is your circular saw with a dust-blowing system. Additionally, the 57 degrees beveling system with 2 detents is also greater than earlier mentioned SKILSAWs. Thus, you can make intricate cuts with complete confidence and in no time. You will also achieve your desired level of stability with its double-handle design. When cutting, keeping one hand on the front handle while the other handle will help you achieve the most accurate bevel and straight cuts. This circular saw is also a little lighter than others at 8.8 pounds of weight. The high-grade stamped aluminum shoes base plate makes it lightweight yet durable. People looking for a SKILSAW for professional and DIY use will appreciate its cutting prowess during framing or squaring larger plywood sheets. The dual-field motor with a max of 1950 watts remains cool even after extended working. When you are working with power tools in your professional site or the home workshop, safety concerns should be paramount. The integrated electric brake perfectly corresponds to such circumstances. If you feel kickback or the blade turning from the set line, you will always find the electric brake in your reach promptly. The tough cord system provides more resistance against cord pullout, way more than other brands. Finally, the dust blower system keeps the work area free from dirt and cut line clear of any chances of making mistakes. Next at number 4 we have the SKILSA06PT67FMD01. If you work with fiber cement, this is a specialized saw for you. But, this circular saw's suitability is not limited to fiber cement only, as you can cut through various other materials with it. To offer you the required torque and power for cutting, the saw extracts the energy from a 15-amp powerful motor. The motor is considered the heart of any saw. Its dual copper windings motor is the reason for calling it the best circular saw for dust collection. By spending on SKILSA06PT67FMD01, you are investing for a long time to come. The motor also sheds heat quickly and guards itself against overheating as a result of prolonged use. This circular saw with a dust collection port also prevents the sawdust from reaching the motor. As the cutting capacity is concerned, you get 56 degrees on bevel cuts capacity with bevel stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees. The depth adjustment and measurement are effortless for quick changes. For a handheld machine, the weight plays an essential part in gauging the tool's comfortable handling. This SKILSA comes with magnesium components that significantly reduce the weight, keeping it around 9 pounds. The polycrystalline diamond-tipped blade makes accurate straight and plunge cuts. The SKILSA07FMD017-1/4 inch standard blade size can make up to 2-7/16 inch straight cuts at 90 degrees. When adjusting the circular saw on the fiber cement or wooden sheets, make sure to align the 0 or 45 degree indentations according to your cutting requirements. The removable nylon sleeve keeps the power cable away when the blade is running. Besides, there is an electric brake to stop the blade if you experience a kickback or jarring effect. And finally, at number 5th position we have the Makita 5057 kB 7/1/4. The Makita saws are known for their above-average performance and giving competition to their competitors. Makita 5057 kB 7-1/4 inch is particularly famous for the hardy plank, where it offers a superior cutting performance. This Makita circular saw is an excellent option for cutting through hazardous material and fiber cement boards. The fiber cement blade with a 7-1/4 inch blade diameter never disappoints you. The dust collection system keeps you safe from breathing into the dusty air. The portable size of the saw makes it suitable for use at various job sites. If you prefer working on your patio or garage, this circular offers a reliable cutting performance. The integrated beveling system of Makita 5057 kB helps you make intricate bevel cuts by adjusting the angle between 0 to 45 degrees. Adjusting the angle is a hassle-free job on these circular saws. If you prefer a combination of power in a lightweight machine, you should look forward to this circular saw for such qualities. The aluminum base plate is not only good quality and budget-friendly, but it is light in weight as well. The blade change process offers you convenience, which is central to Makita's circular saws with dust collection. The shaft lock allows for quicker and foolproof blade change. If you are a DIY enthusiast, this SKILSA with an efficient dust collector is an excellent choice for you. The accompanying rip fence allows you to make accurate cuts through wood, plastic, or another material. Therefore, you can prefer a portable saw instead of buying a bigger table saw for your medium to small projects in the woodworker shop. Relying on this machine won't hurt you in any way. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.